Hello students, welcome to my class. In my last videos, we were discussing the fun they had chapter first of Beehive. And I told you that what will be the future schools of ours. And I told you this also that Tommy and Margie are two children and they found a book, old book, and the book was about school. But Margie didn't like school because they were having virtual classroom and they were having computer teacher. And when she knew that the book was about school, she was distressed because she didn't like school. Okay, and there was one more reason why she hated school because the geography sector of her school was giving her test after test and she was doing worse and worse in studies. And then her mother had taken her to the county inspector and he repaired the box. Box means computer box, and computer box was their teacher. Margie was thinking that he didn't know anything, he will not be able to repair it properly, but he did. And after that, after completing the work, he came back to Margie and he patted her head. And he said to her mother, he told Margie's mother that it is not Margie's fault that she is doing worse and worse in geography. It is the fault of the teacher, means computer teacher, because it geared up to the level of Margie's age. And that's why Margie was not able to solve the questions he was giving. Okay, computer teacher was giving, and he had slowed it down, and now he is said that Margie's overall pattern is good, her progress is good, and then there is no problem. I have repaired the computer teacher, means I have slowed it down to average 10-year-old girl. Now Margie was very sad. Okay, she was disappointed because she was thinking that because there is some problem in my teacher and it will be away from her for a long time. Because once Tommy's teacher was almost a month out from her room, okay, out from his classroom, and their classroom was in their home. So she was also hoping that the teacher will be away for some time, but she was disappointed when it was repaired within a month. After that, because they were discussing the school, because the book was about school, and that's why, because Margie didn't like school, she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Okay, what is the thing to write about school? There is no interest in a school. There is nothing so interesting which could be written for a school, because their school was their room and they had to study separately, not like as we are having classrooms and many children come and study together, sit together, share their problems together. They were having separate room for class. Okay, and the room was in their house. So she was unknown about the old kind of school, and that's why she say, oh, why should anyone write about school? And then Tommy, who was continuously reading the school, the book about school, so he was thinking himself very superior And then he answered when Margie asked that what is to write about a school. He said, because it is not our kind of school stupid. Means they are just same as, so they are just means talking in this way. And he is saying this is not our kind of a school, this is old kind of a school. Means the future children will call the old schools which they are unknown about, okay, which were present many years back. And you know very well the chapter is about future school, and they got an old book, very old book. So this book described the old kind of a school. Means when there were students who used to go to school building, and they used to read the same thing if they are in one class, same class. And the teacher were human being, okay. But as I have told you, their teacher was computer teacher, their classroom was their own house, and they were not having any other children as school friend. And he then Tommy said that these schools were present centuries ago, means many years back. Margie was little hurt because she had not read that book and she didn't know actually old kind of school anymore. So when Tommy was thinking himself superior, she was a bit hurt. And then she said, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read a book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. And then she tries to read for some time that book over Tommy's shoulder. And after reading a bit, she said, anyway, they were having teacher. Okay. But Tommy, he is continuously studying. So he answered, sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. Okay, it was a man. Regular teacher means who was teaching them regularly. And who was teaching them regularly? The computer. And that's why Tommy said that they were not having regular teacher, but they were having man as a teacher. And Margie was quite surprised. She was 11th years when Tommy was elder than her. He was having more knowledge than Margie. So when Margie said that man, how could we man a teacher? Okay, it was a surprise for Margie when Tommy said that in old time the teacher was a man, because she knew only computer teacher. Margie knew only computer teacher, and that's why she said a man is not smart enough. Means she didn't think that man can be a teacher. Man can be so smart as computer teacher. And Tommy answered, sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. As you know, we also know many things which computer knows. And that's why Tommy answers, yes, of course, man can be so smart and so intelligent as computer teacher, because he told that his father knows as much as his teacher. And teacher, they were having computer teacher. And Margie, she did not want to have a quarrel with Tommy, because she was also interested in to know about that kind of school, old kind of school. And then she said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Okay. And then to make the thing normal. She said, okay, let it be, but I don't like that some person comes to my house to teach me. And Tommy laughed too much about it. And because teachers don't go to the houses to teach the children, but the children come to school to get the education. That's why Tommy laughed loudly and said, you don't know anything, Margie. The teacher didn't live in house. Okay, the teacher didn't come to teach the children in house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Okay, what he said, that they had a special building. We have a special building. This is called school, and all the children come to that school, and there the teacher teach them. Okay, and that's why, because Tommy had read about it, that the children used to go to a school building and then they had been taught by teachers. That's why he laughed and informed. He gave information to Margie that they had a special building and all the children used to go there, and they learned the same thing. Okay, as I have told you, the students of same group read the study the same thing, sure, if they were the same age. And Tommy also tells this, that if they are having the same age, all the children will study the same thing. Okay, thank you.